Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys is magre-review ulit tayo ng isang lending application na kung saan ay nakakapag-utang daw tayo ng up to 20,000 pesos. And ayon sa kanilang application guys is napakadaling mag-loan sa kanila and up to 120 days ang loan term. Before we go on guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe dyan, mag-subscribe na kayo and hit na rin ang bell button para ma-update kayo sa upcoming videos and tutorials. And meron din tayong pag-giveaway, pa-Gcash giveaway every 15 and 30 of the month. So, siguraduhin naka-like, naka-comment kayo, and naka-subscribe kayo sa video ito. Let's go! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video ay magre-review nga tayo ng isang lending application na nagpapaloan up to 20,000 pesos. And in fairness guys, ay registered po sila sa Securities and Exchange Commission. And kahit i-search po natin sa Securities and Exchange Commission website ay meron po sila. Pero gaya ng sinasabi ko guys na kahit registered po sila sa SEC ay hindi po tayo sigurado na okay sila and goods ang kanilang application. So, ang lending application na ito guys ay si Lemon Loan Safe and Fast Loan and powered by Flash Cash 101 Lending Corporation na meron silang 4.5 na stars and 11K reviews. Ayan. So, ayun nga sa kanilang application guys, sabi dito sa Google Play Store, maximum loan 20,000 pesos and get your loan with no hassle, reliable and works in 24/7. Ayan. And sabi din dito guys na very low interest rate and we can process loan in 3 steps. Ayan, 3 steps. And yung loan term daw nito is 91 days to 121 days. Ayan. So, ayon sa kanilang application din guys, ayan dito sila, SEC registered, open to all Filipinos, as long as you have valid ID and 24-hour services. And ayun na nga at sabi dito, loan term 2,000 to 20,000 pesos and loan term 91 days to 365 days. Okay, so pag na-download po natin guys, pag open natin ang application is makikita natin agad dito yung permission. So, permission sa ating installed application, file, mobile devices, ayan, contact, location, data, storage, camera, ayan. So, basahin natin yun guys and then agree natin. And of course, next is yung policy nila. So, hindi po tayo makapag-proceed kung hindi po natin basahin or pasadahan daw. So, gagawin lang ninyo kung tinatamad kayo, scroll nyo lang done and tap yung agree. Ayan. So, after agreeing guys, yung policy nila is sign up naman guys. So, dito sa sign up ay kailangan ng valid ID. So, kailangan ng valid ID kasi nga magsasend sila ng OTP. So, after nyo yung ilagay yung number, tap nyo yung obtain, ayan, and then log in. And pagkatapos nun is yung personal information naman. So, sa personal information, mauunang marital status, highest education, email, Facebook. So, kailangan nila ng Facebook, ayan. And then, current address, detailed address, and resident type. Next thing naman is yung contact references. So, sa contact references, nangangailangan si Lemon application ng 4 na contact reference. So, i-fill up lang natin yung name nila, phone number of course, and yung relationship. And be sure guys, yung mga nilalagay natin is alam nila nilalagay natin kasi once na hindi po tayo makapag-pay on time, ay sila po ang bubulabugin ng mga ehente nito guys. Okay? So, next is yung identification or identity information. So, dito na tayo mag-upload ng mga pa-selfie ni Mayora, mga upload ng picture ng ating ID. Ayan. So, ilagay natin ang ID type, ID number, and dito natin ilalagay ang ating first name, ayan, ating middle name, last name, date of birth, gender, purpose of loan, ayan. So, yung mga ID na pwede sa kanila is UMID ID, driver's license, PIN ID, ayan, PRC, postal, PhilHealth. So, yun po guys, yung pwedeng ID na pwede nating i-upload sa kanila. So, after which guys, after nating i-upload yung mga information na yun is, ito na tayo, bubungad sa atin yung first down na pwede nating ma-loan sa kanila. So, sabi dito, amount loan is 2,000 pesos or 20,000 pesos. Parang nagkamali siguro yung application na ito guys. Pero for sure is 2,000 pesos guys. And then tap natin yung pay now. pay now siguro. Sila ang magbabayad sa atin. And then, sabi dito guys, 60 days, 75 days, and then 90 days. Ayan. So, 2,000 nga ang pwede nating utangin sa kanila as first timer. Ayan. And then, we can pay in 60 days, 75 days, and 90 days. Pero guys, pansin nyo guys, ang service fee, receive amount, due date, ayan, is hindi po nakalagay. Okay? So, hindi po sila transparent dito. So, magugulat ka na lang siguro kung makukuha mo is 1,000 ganon or 1,200. And, yung 60 days is 7 days. Parang ganon guys. So, for this one guys, hindi ko na tinuloy ang application kasi hindi mo nga po makita kung magkano makukuha natin, kung magkano babayaran natin, mga kaltas. Ayan. So, nasa inyo guys kung itutuloy nyo or kung gusto nyong subukan si Lemon Safe loan application nito guys. So, hopefully na-enlighten yung mga gusto or nagbabalak kay Lemon Safe kasi safe na safe daw ang loan dito. Pero hindi ko lang sure guys. So, yun and I hope na nakatulong ang video nito. Thank you for watching and see you again on my next video.